us to know things how we have to go forward. So please speak so that please I mean express your experiences so that will be easier for us to organize even better. There we might have made some mistakes here and there. So if you could critically analyze and critically tell us how where we have gone wrong, it will be easier for us to make it up for the next time. So, participants, please, you may express your views. You can use Malayalam also. Language is not a barrier. Any language is okay. You can use Malayalam as well as English. Lima,
Yes.
You can express your views about this. You had a seen your presentation. It was really beautiful presentation. Will you be kind enough to give a word of feedback? In Malayalam, it is okay. It's not necessary that you should use English itself.
Okay, no problem, sir. I can handle. First of all, I would like to thank College of Engineering Talasheri, although I'm an alumni of that college, for organizing such a wonderful session. And it was a very worth moving on to all the topics. And this was my first conference experience. And to the chairs of the session were very much lively, and I could. I could get all my drawbacks of the projects, and everything was so clear. Once again, I thank all the faculties and the coordinators for arranging such a wonderful session. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Lima. Thank you, Lima, for your inspiring words.
Thank
Other
you, sir.
participants, other participants, please let us know your views. Sneha, madam, Sneha Binoy, madam.
Hello, sir. Am I audible? Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Audible. Please proceed.
Hello, sir. ഓക്കെ സോ കോൺഫറൻസ് നല്ലൊരു മോഡിലായിരുന്നു പ്രസന്റ് ചെയ്തത്. ഈവൻ ഡ്യൂറിങ് ദിസ് പാൻഡമിക് ടൈം നമുക്കൊരു ഓപ്പർച്യൂണിറ്റി ആണ് കോളേജ് ഓഫ് തലശ്ശേരി നമുക്ക് തന്നത്. ആൻഡ് വെരി വെൽ കോർഡിനേറ്റഡ് ആയിരുന്നു. നമുക്ക് ടൈംലി ആയിട്ട് ഇമെയിൽസും അതേപോലെ വാട്സപ്പ് ഗ്രൂപ്പിൽ ഹാൻഡിൽ ചെയ്യാനും ടീച്ചേഴ്സും എല്ലാവരും ഭയങ്കര സപ്പോർട്ടീവ് ആയിരുന്നു. സോ പേപ്പർ പബ്ലിഷ് ചെയ്യാനായിട്ട് ഒരു നല്ലൊരു പ്ലാറ്റ്ഫോമും തന്നതിന് കോളേജ് ഓഫ് എഞ്ചിനീയറിംഗ് തലശ്ശേരിക്ക് ഒരു ബിഗ് താങ്ക്സ്. താങ്ക് യു, സർ.
Thank you for your inspiring words, ma'am. Other participants, please let us know your views. You can use Malayalam even. Vivek, we would like to hear from you, Vivek.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, Vivek, you're audible. Please proceed.
First of all, I'd like to thank College of Engineering Talasheri to giving me this opportunity to present my work in front of such talented persons, professors. It was a pretty good experience discussing our experience and our works with you, and it was very informative too. More than that, and thanks to our guide to like suggesting us to present our paper in this conference. And again, a big thanks to College of Engineering Talasheri for organizing this and inviting or selecting us to present our paper in this conference. So thank you.
Thanks for your words, for your inspiring words. Other participants? Shanti, madam. Shanti S. Govind.
Yes, sir. Hello.
Yes, you're audible, madam. Proceed, please.
Okay, good evening, everyone. First of all, I'd like to thank College of Engineering Talasheri for organizing such a event, even in the time of this pandemic. And considering our papers, I think we all got a different perspective for our paper. We've all received different kinds of questions. We are actually thinking in that pattern after this conference in a new area. So I think that is what I gained from this conference. So a very big thank you to all of you. A very big thank you to all the professors, and a very big thank you to College of Engineering Talasheri for selecting us for the conference.
Thanks for your inspiring words, ma'am. Other participants? Alan, Alan, would you be kind enough to share your experience?
വളരെ നല്ലൊരു എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ് ആയിരുന്നു. ഫസ്റ്റ് ടൈമാണ് പേപ്പർ പ്രസന്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടി ഒരു കോൺഫറൻസിൽ പങ്കെടുക്കണേ. അപ്പൊ വിചാരിച്ച പോലെ ഒരു എന്താ പറയുക, പേപ്പർ പ്രസന്റ് ചെയ്യാന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താ പേടിക്കേണ്ട കാര്യമില്ല. എളുപ്പത്തിൽ, അതായത് ഒരുപാട് സപ്പോർട്ട് ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു ടീച്ചേഴ്സിന്റെ ഭാഗത്തുനിന്ന്. വളരെ സന്തോഷം. കോണ്ടാക്ട്, അതായത് ഈ എളുപ്പത്തിൽ തന്നെ നമ്മൾ പേപ്പർ സബ്മിറ്റ് ചെയ്യാനും അതിന്റെ കറക്ഷൻസ് ഒക്കെ ചെയ്യാനും നല്ലൊരു സപ്പോർട്ട് ടീം ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. വളരെ സന്തോഷമുണ്ട്. കോൺഫിഡൻസ് നല്ല രീതിയിൽ നല്ല അതായത് നമ്മുടെ പേപ്പറിനെ പറ്റി നല്ല കമന്റ്സും ഫീഡ്ബാക്ക് ഒക്കെ കിട്ടി. എന്തൊക്കെ ഇമ്പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യാന്നൊക്കെ മനസ്സിലാക്കി. വളരെ നല്ലൊരു കോൺഫിഡൻസ് ആയിരുന്നു. പങ്കെടുക്കാൻ പറ്റിയതിൽ നല്ല സന്തോഷമുണ്ട്. താങ്ക് യു.
Thanks, sir. Thanks for your inspiring words. Other participants? Are there any other participants who would like to share their experience? Now, may I call upon the session handlers? Any one session handlers? I think some session handlers are here, and your experiences are really valuable. What I understand is that some of our faculty who have done a beautiful work of session handling. Maybe I think Divya ma'am is here. Divya ma'am, would you be kind enough to tell a few words about your experience?
Yeah, sir. First of all, it was my first experience to moderate a function or session, and the papers were excellent. Project works were presented over my session, and by listening and hearing the actual questioning pattern and the lively chairs in the session was so good. And it was a pleasant experience for me to participate and moderate such a session. It was a greatest of my experience. And also one of the participant was COVID positive, and then even though she is positive, she presented her paper. That was so inspiring, and I think altogether it was a very good session, sir. Thank you.
Thank you for your inspiring words. I remember this particular issue of that particular madam who was COVID positive, and I think she was overwhelmed and she started crying at one particular point of time. She was cried
Yeah,
of,
she was,
joy.
she was emotional.
Tears of joy came to her, eyes,
After
and that was so
completing
inspiring.
her,
All these things.
yeah,
Yes,
after
yes.
completing her presentation, she was so emotional.
She got emotional. Happens, and really, it was a beautiful, experience that we were able to do that. Any other session handlers available? Sajini madam, are you here?
Yes, sir.
We would like to know your experience there.
Okay, sir. It's a very well organized conference, and it was really a very good experience for me also. And the papers presented and issues discussed, and the conference is very fruitful for the students and as well as researchers of the mechanical department. And I think everyone will be satisfied with this session, and it could be possible because the organizers who put their best to organize. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you for your inspiring words, ma'am. And there were a number of papers there, and one paper was actually related to blockchain. and blockchain and agriculture. And it was really beautiful, that paper, which was there. Like that, there were a set of papers, beautiful set of papers when young minds, they start working. We get really beautiful papers. And this was one really positive as well as inspiring part of this particular conference. Are there any other, feedbacks? Now the dice is open for feedbacks. Your feedbacks. Maybe we can wait for 1 or 2 minutes for your feedbacks. Before going to the next, session of this program. Are there anyone else to offer feedback? I don't think others are there. Anyway, thank you. Thanks for all the people who have expressed their feedback, and I'm happy that you have all gave positive responses. And of course, you have. I know that you have certain negative things. The negative, comments to something that has to be constructive comments. We would be always open to have these constructive comments. You can send an email, or you can contact us and tell us where we can improve. Okay. I think we could wind up this session, and Vaishak sir, please take over, sir.
Thank you all the participants for your wonderful feedback. This will encourage us. Now we move on to our next session. We would like to display our prestigious national conference certificates right here. Thank you. Now, may I take immense pleasure and requesting our Honorable Principal, Dr. Deena V.I. Madam, to speak a few words. Welcome, Madam.
Good afternoon, all. Congratulations, we have done it. All the hard work has finally paid off. We have been trying hard for successfully organizing this conference for the last few months. And I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to the conveners, Dr. A.B. David, Professor Seema IS, then the coordinators, Professor Arjun, Professor Rinida, and all of the faculty and staff members of the two departments,
who have directly or indirectly cooperated with the organization of this event, that is FMCE 2021, to this extent. And especially my gratitude to our delegates. Otherwise, without you, this will never would have been happened without the presentations. And dear delegates, hope you have benefited out of these 2 days of conference in a great way. From the feedback, it is clear that you have gained something. And in this pandemic era also, we have been planning, nothing been materialized for the past 1 year. Actually, this has been taken the decision of the previous BOG meeting, and we are in a doubt whether it is to be convened in an offline mode or online mode. Finally, we took the decision. That is, if the plan doesn't work, change the plan, but never the goal. This was the motive. That is, anyhow, we need to conduct the conference. So we changed the plan to online mode, and it has been convened in this great manner. And previously, when the idea of conference was put forward in the combined mode for the civil and mechanical, previously the civil department is much younger to the other ones, and in the beginning of the tech itself, all the other departments has conducted the conferences, and this time only 2 conferences have been planned, one for the civil and mechanical and the other for the other circuit branches. So finally, this is the first conference of this last two success years, 2020, 21 and 1920. It is among the 2 years, this is the first conference we have conducted. And I may remember the quote that so many of our dreams at first seems impossible, then they seem improbable, and then when we summon the will, they soon become inevitable. This is what really happened. So from the feedback I have heard from the dear delegates, it is clear that you have gained something. And the coordination of the conference conduct, it was done in a very good manner, and really congratulate the men behind this, the coordinators, conveners, and all other faculty members, the session handlers, and all. And once again, I thank everybody for the successful coordination of this conference, and again, dreaming for meeting in another platform again. Dear delegates, we will be conducting more and more conferences in the next years, not the national conference. We are aiming for international conference. So be ready for presentations in our conference. Thank you all.
Thank you, Madam, for your inspiring speech. Thank you for the support for this successful national conference. Thank you very much, Madam. Now, I may invite respected Arjun sir, who has been the strong pillar of support for this successful conference. I'm inviting respected Arjun sir.
Good afternoon, one and all. First of all, I will start my thing with a big thanks to all the delegates and all those who have taken pain to make this event a successful one. So, in order to start with, let me start with the some history of this particular. Excuse me, just give me a minute. Okay. I think I'm audible now. So the thing is, so I will just give you a brief about the pathways of our conference organization and all. In fact, as our principal mentioned, this conference was planned, say 6 months to an year back. So at that time, we were planning to conduct this in an offline fashion, and we have progressed in that manner for quite some time. And then suddenly, this particular pandemic situation, second wave came in, and we were forced to shift from the offline mode to this online mode. Then we have started this work by the I think it's in the we started the work for online conference in March 2021. So we have published the dates, and we got a good number of responses from colleges all over Kerala, and even from the neighboring states like Karnataka, Telangana, and Tamil Nadu. So we got somewhere around 100, I mean, and almost 100 abstracts from different participants, from different delegates actually. So we were forced to select from those 100 abstracts that we have received, and out of the 100, we have selected 60. We have shortlisted 60 abstracts for the conference, and they were intimated. And what to say? Only we got only somewhere around 50 papers back. So only 50 of the participants have uploaded the papers, and all those papers were sent for peer review. And after the peer review, we have restricted the number of papers to 30. That is based upon the comments from the peer reviewers. We restricted the number of papers to 30. And we have planned the schedule. We scheduled the program like we'll be presenting 20 papers, and the rest of the 10 papers will be included in the proceedings. So that was one of the aim for us to get the papers published. So we have contacted some publishers, and they have agreed to publish these proceedings. So these proceedings will be published. We are just waiting for some papers to come. That is, we have mentioned some format in which the paper has to be sent. So some of the authors is yet to send us the papers. Once we get that papers, that will be given to the publisher, and we hope that we will be able to publish the proceedings within a week or two. So I hope you have seen the certificates that we have prepared, and what we are planning to do is we will be sending you the hard copies of both the certificate and the proceedings. So for that, we will be sharing a Google Sheet with you. In that particular Google Sheet, the name of the registered author will be there. So we request the registered author to enter the address to which this hard copy of the proceedings and also the certificate is to be sent. That will be shared in the WhatsApp group within, say, by evening, I suppose. We can do that by evening. So this is the history of the conference, and it's giving me immense pleasure to be at the end of the conference after say successfully completing a national conference. Actually, this is the first conference on the online mode, and this tomorrow onwards we are hosting the second online conference by the College of Engineering Thalassery, and as mentioned, it is based on the circuit branches, that is Department of Electrical Electronics, Electronics and Communication, Information and Technology, and Computer Science is organizing the second online conference of College of Engineering from tomorrow onwards. So once again, I would like to thank all the support that all the delegates and my colleagues has offered me in completing this successful event. And once again, thank you all, and I'm winding up. Thank you, and we'll have one more talk, I suppose, and then we will wind up the session. So thanks again, one and all.
Thank you, Arjun sir. Thank you for your informative talk. Now, I invite our respected Dr. Eddie David, Associate Professor, Mechanical Engineering Department, who has been the strong pillar and backbone of this national conference, to deliver the vote of thanks. Welcome, sir.
Respected Principal, Dear Ma'am, faculty members, uh, participants. It's an immense pleasure to see the end of this conference because for 2 days we have been together. I'm so happy to see that the beautiful papers have been presented in this session. I'm not saying that the sessions or the whole thing was not having shortcomings, but of course, beautiful ideas have come up. There are a number of papers which can go and be extended to journals. So, in addition to what Sir has told, Arjun Sir has told, I want to add this also. We would also look at a few papers, and we had discussions with certain publishers. And I'm not talking about the proceedings. Proceedings you will be getting as a hard copy. But beyond that, we are having collections with, or we had discussions with certain publishers who told that once we get quality papers which can be publishable in journals, we will think about that. Only thing is that it has to be enlarged and modified. So it's a good opportunity for all the participants, all the people who have presented papers, and who are ready to work on it further to get your paper published. Okay, so we will be in a position to help you out with the publication work of the papers, of your papers. So that is the additional point that I want to share you. And I want to thank at this time to the guiding light, the guiding lamp, our principal, Dr. Beena VI, for inspiring us, encouraging us, supporting us in all the events, in all the activities which has come up to this, so that we were able to successfully complete the National Conference FANCY 2021. And thanks are also due to Director Kate for permitting us to go forward with the organizing and conducting of this particular conference. Thanks are also due to TechUp and the coordinator Ranjit sir, Professor Ranjit, for supporting us financially as well as giving us positive comments on how the program are supposed to be organized. Then I should place on record thanks to Seema Madam, Professor Seema of Civil Engineer, Head of the Department, Civil Engineer Department, who was also a joint convener, for this particular conference. She has helped. She was helped a lot. We were working together to see that this program or this conference is going, or is conducted, is organized and conducted in a proper way. But the actual work has been done by the coordinators. The coordinators behind this are Professor Arjun and Professor Rinda. Professor Arjun of Mechanical Engineering Department and Professor Rinda of Civil Engineering Department. Presently, Rinda Madam is actually busy with her research work, and that's why she is not attending the meeting. She has called and informed her inability to attend this particular valedictory function. Then I would place on record our thanks to the keynote speakers, Arunachalam sir, Professor Arunachalam, Dr. Arunachalam from IIT Madras, and Jayamohan sir, Professor Dr. Jayamohan sir from LBS IT Trivandrum, for their valuable keynote addresses. Then I want to place on record our thanks to the chairs from the mechanical engineering department, the two sessions. The first session, JU sir, Associate Professor, GEC Kannur, Dr. Govindan, Assistant Professor, GEC Kannur, Srinesh sir from Mechanical Department, Talasheri Engineering College, and the session was handled by Sajini Madam of Mechanical Engineering Department. Thanks due to all the people who have made the particular presentation successful. And also, thanks are due to the second session. Second session chairs were Dr. Pradeep, HOD Mechanical Engineering, GEC Calicut, and Professor Arun Shal. Arun Shal sir is actually he was working here, and he was actually instrumental in the coordination and conduction of the first edition of FAME, which is called of this particular conference called FAME 2017. And Sudesh sir, who was also the chair, internal chair, and the session was addressed by, coordinated by Ashwin sir. So thanks to the second session, people of mechanical engineering mechanical engineering track. Now coming to the civil engineering track, I would like to place on record my thanks to Dr. B.V. Matthews, HOD Civil Engineering Department, Kidangur Engineering College, Professor Lindsay Koshi, Assistant Professor of CE Civil Engineering, Punapra, Renita Madam, who was the internal chair, and the session handler was Remya Kane. Thanks due to all these faculty members who have made this program, made this session, that session a grand success. Thanks also are due to the second session chairs, Dr. Abhilasha PS, Dr. Leena AV, Renita Madam was the internal chair, and the session was handled by Nivya ma'am. Thanks are also due to the people, the crew of the second session of the civil engineering track. Now I want to place on record my thanks to Messrs. Ultratech and ULCC for associating with us with this particular conference. Then the people behind, let me come to the people behind this show. Their faces are not seen, but they were the people who have run this show. The anchor was that face you have seen, Professor Vaishak from Mechanical Engineering Department. Thanks, a big thanks to him. And of course, there are a lot of other people behind, particularly the people who have organized all these online things. Nitin sir and Clive sir. Nitin sir and Clive sir, could you please show your face, please? They will be coming on camera so that the audience can see. And Vijisha madam, so they have provided beautiful success. Now you can see Clive sir and Nitin sir in the frame, so you can see them. Thanks to them also. Okay, thank you sir. And Vijisha madam from Civil Engineering Department also coordinated in the arrangement, in the back end arrangement. Now thanks are also due to the publisher of the proceedings, Neital Padipagam Talasheri. They are our publishers, official publishers, and the typesetting is done by Chempagam Digital Solution Magi. So we would like to thank them also. There are a lot of other people who have helped us to make this a grand success, like people who have our security staff, our cleaning staff, and other technical staff, the staff in the centralized valuation camp. They helped us because net connectivity and all those things we have obtained from this particular place, and the control room was set in this particular place. And we would like to thank the people of CV camp also, the staff members of the CV camp also, who have helped us with the other arrangements. And I'm not sure whether I have left anyone. If I have left anyone, all the faculty members of the civil and the mechanical engineering, all the staff members of the civil and the mechanical engineering, and other faculty members of other departments as well as staff members have coordinated this, have helped us. And the office people in the office, they helped us. Office services, library services, they helped us a lot. And I'm not sure whether I have left anyone. And for all the people, all the persons who have helped us to make this as a grand success, let me tell my thanks in a single word: thank you all, and a big namaste. And with this, we'll be winding up the session. Thank you all for attending. One sec, sir. One sec. There is something remaining. I left one very important people who made this a grand success. That is the delegates. The delegates have made this particular session a grand success, and I thank them also. Thank each one of your delegates for making this particular session a grand success. So with this, we'll be winding up this session, the FAMC 2021. And we'll be meeting in the next year also for the next edition of the conference. As already told, the next conference will be starting. Next conference organized by College of Engineering, Talasheri will be starting tomorrow onwards. So the links will be shared with you, and the interested people, please do participate and make that conference also a grand success. Thank you all, and God bless you all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.